Hello, YouTube. I'm back here again doing a video on a previous story that I did before, and I wanted to get people's input on this. It's going to be kind of interesting because we have a counter story to the story I did on Sunday, where the Steam Deck, is it for you? Is it not? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Now, Logitech has announced that it's going to create a dedicated cloud gaming handheld that supports xCloud gaming and more. So, a little more deep dive into this, and I was talking to a couple of friends about this. Logitech G is partnering up with Tencent Games to do this, and for the most part, basically, instead of having a gaming console like the Steam Deck, which is trying to harness the power of the PC on the go, Logitech is going in a different direction. The direction they're going in, and I kind of agree with them to a certain point. The direction they're going into is going straight cloud native. So basically making a hardware that's designed to work with the cloud gaming services. So you're able to play these AAA games like what's the one that called Destiny 2 is not on Steam Deck. Cyberpunk 2077 is not on Steam Deck. So it's looking to take what the cloud gaming services do best, which is the heavy lifting, and making it where you could play the AAA games on the go. So basically, both companies are trying to close the gap, which I call the holy grail of gaming. And the holy grail of gaming for me personally is being able to do this on the go. Taking the power of the PC and bring it to wherever you are. If you're in your hotel room, if you're on the bus, the metro, you're riding the train, whatever it is, being able to play those games that you love no matter where you are. This is the holy grail of gaming, really. So the question is what path do you see is going to be the most dominant? Are we going to wait around for the processors to catch up to mobile to be able to play AAA games? Or are we going to be able to play AAA games now with the power of the cloud services, been able to harness that power right now? So you got Stadia, cloud, Xbox Cloud Gaming. You got what's the other one? Nvidia, the Nvidia platform. So those are the three main ones. Oh, and Amazon with Amazon Luna. So dedicated handheld, pull out the games, being it's a Steam Deck powered by Steam, or cloud gaming. Which one do you see is coming to your hands a whole lot faster? I'm leaning more towards cloud gaming, but if you have any opinions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm looking forward to seeing what people might say and talk about this. I feel very strongly about this one because I used to carry my PlayStation everywhere. I mean, I had a dedicated backpack for just my PlayStation and take it on the go. And now all I do is plug my phone into the TV and I play Google Stadia like a champ. No problem. Maybe one day I'm probably going to be testing out Xbox Cloud Gaming and Amazon Luna. But for right now, I've been solely playing on Google Stadia. But cloud gaming is here, people. Which camp are you going to be in? Cloud gaming or dedicated handheld? Hey, feel free to comment and like, please. And I'll talk to y'all later.